Alright guys, this is the first time I've had a chance to sit down and do anything in the past, well, nearly 2 weeks. So there's a couple of things I want to get done today. Firstly is this Schlage challenge lock that was sent to me by Tony S from the UK Locksport forum. It's the first time I've even, touched one of these, let alone picked one. I tried to pick it a couple of weeks ago when it first arrived, but I had little time, and every time I tried to pick it, I was using the top of the keyway tension wrench from Mad Bob's, and it's just, it's just dead sloppy. So every time I tried to pick it, I was just dropping the tension wrench. Just with using light tension, I just couldn't get it to stay in. So we're gonna have a go with that, because we've now got some of the tension wrenches from Sparrows, which arrived the other day, 50 thousandths. So they should be better for this. Oh, but firstly, before we get onto that, Diamond Keyzer from UK Locksport Forum sent me my tool roll that I asked for. 18 slots, and it's designed for my Mad Bob's picks. And I was quite surprised when I got it, because I didn't know what to expect. And he does this for a hobby, and he said to me, that there's a couple of stitches that he couldn't get the machine to tension. But there's just nothing wrong with it. They fit in there nice. They're not going to fall out. So no, I'm more than pleased with it. Because I've been trying to find a tool roll that that I liked, that I wanted, that's going to do everything that I want it to do. It's just awesome. It's just exactly what I wanted. I mean, if there was anything I was going to change with this, which for me is nothing, but thinking on if I wanted to store anything else in there, such as I don't know, smaller tension wrenches like these two Z wrenches. If I wanted to store them in there, obviously I couldn't. So the only thing I'd probably think about changing, if you were to order one of these, and you had it made for yourself, is maybe take away 4 or 5 of your slots for picks, and have smaller pockets put in that would fit these in. But again, that's for all my other bits and pieces. So my comp case is perfect for for these little ones, which I'm going to use the most. So, but again, if you were going to use a tool roll and wanted a tool roll purposely for keeping all your picks, taking them everywhere, that's probably the only thing I'd change. But other than that, it's perfect for me. So Diamond Keyzer, thank you very much. Okay, let's get this in a vise, and we'll have a pick and see if we can get it open. Because like I say, it's my first time actually having one of these, and I don't know what to expect from it. So hopefully we won't mess this up too much. Let's just make an adjustment. Okay. Yeah, that's much better in there. Fits much better, so I'm not got it flapping around everywhere. Alright. Oh, feels like pin 2. Click on that. Nothing on 1. Click on 5, nothing on 4, click on 3, and click on 2, little click on 1, another click on 1, not feel anything. I think that was a click on, small click on 5, click on 4, nothing on 3, 2 or 1, click on 5 again, still binding, another click on 3, click on 3, counter rotation on 2, click there, nothing on 1, just touch 5 and gone into a deeper false set. That was 4, another deep false, a bit deep on the false set. I don't know what I touched then, but we went even deeper. Counter rotation on 5. Is it 5? No, 4. There we go. Open. I'm quite surprised with that. Let's move it over there. Right, so we have got a key, so we'll lock it back up. Key works lovely. Okay. Oh, and what we have got, no more using the foam on that in that little case. The new arrivals are here, so at least now we can keep everything nice and neat. Okay. Alright, so straight away we've got weirdness. Alright, so what have we got? We've got threading on 1, 2, 3, threading on all 5. Okay, so he's barely breaking, but enough. Some lovely, lovely pins. He's barely breaking. Even pull that out and he's still in there. Should have took these out one at a time really, but they're all the same, so. I think we've got one stuck. Jammed up on the threading. slightly bent at the bottom, so it's just stayed in there. And all of those are threaded. Yep, everyone threaded. And that was my very first Schlage. Cheers guys. Alright guys, so quick pause there. Family matters call unfortunately, but let's just get back to these pins and show you what we were up against. So there they are. So 1 key pins like a double spool, same on 2, like a spool on 3, double spool 4 and a spool on 5. And then as you can see, it's like, I won't know how to describe that if I'm honest, but either way, very nice pins. Double spool, these serrated on 2 and 4 and serrated on number 5. Springs, they're only small springs, not very strong copper springs, but nevertheless they did the job. Right, thank you very much, cheers guys.